Hi leaders, it's Ella here from Lead5050 and we're here to talk about our summit that we're going to be doing online on May the 9th. Now we were going to be running this summit in conjunction with Language Kingdom, who are hosting and sponsoring it in Asturias. But unfortunately, obviously, we can't go to Spain to meet and discuss our issues, but we can do it online. So still jointly with Language Kingdom, we're going to be hosting it on May the 9th at 2 p.m. till 5 p.m. So 3 hours. And the topic is changing the game, which I think is really pertinent now because we've really got an opportunity to do that. So Leanne, would you like to tell us about the panel discussion?
Yeah, I certainly would. So I'm going to be moderating the panel discussion. It's going to be really exciting, really interesting. The topic of the panel is COVID-19, catastrophe or catalyst? And we have some brilliant guests who are going to be joining us on the panel. We've got Anke Menkhorst from ESL, who's going to be joining us from Barcelona. We have Dr. Joanna Howlett from Cambridge University, Beth Drake from UTP in the USA, and Tom Jones. I'm really looking forward to it. Each person is bringing a very pertinent, exciting topic for discussion, and I'm looking forward to hearing your comments as well. It's going to be one of the highlights of the day, along with the circles, and Maria is going to tell us about what's going to be happening for the rest of the day.
Well, basically, it's, as you said, it's changing the game, right? This crisis is, we see this crisis as a turning point. It's the beginning of something new, and now is our chance to, instead of going back to the old normal, co-creating a new normal, which is better for everyone. So that's what we're doing. And what we want is to end the day, next Saturday, we end the day fully energized, connected to like-minded leaders from all over the world, and shift from survival into creative mode.
Yes.
So we're waiting for you. It's going to be fun.
Yeah.
It's going to be something interactive. You'll have a chance to talk and engage with us and with our experts. And see you next Saturday. Bye, leaders.
Bye, leaders.
Bye, leaders.